Hey there, friends! Have you ever made a promise? Maybe you promised your teacher you'd finish your homework, or told your friend you'd play with them after school. At Brite Star School, I believe keeping promises is more than just something nice to do. It's a real-life superpower. When you keep your promises, you're showing everyone that you can be trusted. That means your friends, teachers, and family know they can count on you. And when people trust you, friendships grow stronger, and everyone feels safe and respected. So how do you become a promise-keeping hero? Here are 5 ways you can practice this amazing superpower. Number 1, only make promises you know you can keep. It's tempting to say yes to everything, but superheroes think before they speak. Ask yourself, can I really do this? If the answer is yes, go for it. If not, it's okay to say no. Number 2, write your promise down. Even heroes need reminders. You can write a note, set a reminder on your phone, or draw a picture that helps you remember what you said you'd do. Number 3, follow through, even if it's tough. Sometimes keeping a promise is hard work. Maybe you promised to help clean up, but now you'd rather watch TV. Real heroes finish what they start, even when it's not easy. Number 4, if you ever can't keep a promise, say I'm sorry and explain why. Everyone makes mistakes, even superheroes. What matters is being honest and letting others know what happened. This keeps trust strong, even when things don't go as planned. Number 5, celebrate when you come through. Give yourself a high five, do a happy dance, or just smile and feel proud. Keeping promises makes you, and the people around you, feel great. Captain Star, our school superhero, always says, a hero's word means something, and their actions prove it. So, next time you say I promise, treat it like a super important mission. Do your best to complete it, and watch your trust superpower grow. Thanks for joining me for today's Brite Star Trust lesson. Remember, trust is something you earn with every action. When you keep promises, you're not just being responsible. You're making the world a better, brighter place. See you next time for more Brite Star Learned Superpowers.
Thanks for visiting the magical world of Brite Star. We're always here and always excited to have you come back and see us again. Make sure you visit us at BriteStarWorld.com for more enchanting books and videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.